Good morning! Happy Vlogmas! Hope everyone is having a wonderful December. This is a childhood memory video, or I should say college memory video. When I was in college, I would make these paper doves to decorate our dorm room Christmas trees. And because, I'm a college student, I don't have that much money. And so I found this pattern in a magazine. Like one of those, I don't know, probably Good Housekeeping magazines or a craft magazine from Current. Honestly, I don't remember. All I know is I have the pattern. I always leave it in my Christmas ornament box every year. And then I just, I make little cardboard patterns. And when they get too used up, I just trace out some new ones. So to make it last, I don't use this one too much. I trace it onto this white cardboard and I use that. So it's a very simple craft. It's just paper. So it's going to be a dove. So let's see. I just use copy paper, but this is paper. It's a little thicker than regular copy paper because you do want this to be a little more sturdy than typical copy paper. And so I just happened to get this on clearance. I think it might have been maybe even a resume paper, but it is pretty sturdy. So, but I'm using white because I want these to be white doves. But if you have scrapbook paper, I would suggest using scrapbook paper. You can make your birds patterned. They don't have to be white, but I'm making mine white. So this would be a simple craft for kids to do. I did this while I was in college, but definitely an easy craft. So this pattern is from the 90s. I wish I could remember what magazine I got it out of, but I don't. And I don't even know if it's available, if you could find it. So if anybody wants a photocopy of my patterns, send me an email and I'll send you an email back. I'm just making two because that's what fits on this paper. So I've got the two bodies for the doves, and now their wings. Let's see. So you can, am I hitting my tripod? Apologize if I hit my tripod. Is this fun and exciting watching me? I guess I could speed this up, but I'll talk. So yeah, today is what? December 14th? Well, when you see this video, it's gonna be December 14th. But I'm having a really good December. Kind of sad that there is no snow yet. We got snow even before Thanksgiving, I think the day after Halloween, and then that was it. No more snow. So that is a bummer. I'd like to have some snow. I think it's supposed to snow next week, so I hope so. I hope we have snow for Christmas. But I am in Missouri, so it's not like it's a state that gets tons of snow, but we usually get a couple snow days here and there. All right. Oh, I think I missed the tip. I'm just gonna cut out one so you guys get the idea. Oh. And I actually have a couple that I have made in previous years. So they're not ornaments that you have to throw away. Even though they're paper, you can keep them year from year. I think I still have the original one I made like 20 years ago. So, you know, if you store them on the top of in the top layer of your Christmas ornament box, they won't get squished, and you can use them year from year. So, like the, if you saw my previous videos, we made a whole bunch of dough ornaments. So I will try to keep those. I don't see why I can't keep them year from year. In the past, I think 2 years ago, I made ornaments that I put my animal paws in. And I don't remember what recipe I used, but it was just like a white dough. And then you like pressed your puppy paws in them when my puppy was still alive. And then I did it for my cats. And then I did actually still have those. And I did like a protective layer on them, like a varnish layer, and had written their names on them. So that's another fun one. I'm not going to do a video on it, but that's another fun one. It was just a typical like dough recipe. I don't remember there being salt in it like my salt dough ones, because I don't know that I'd want to press my animal's paws on salt dough, but just a basic dough. And of course, it wasn't easy getting them to press their puppy paws in it, or in their little kitty paws, but it's a cute souvenir. Cute memory of your cats. I'm glad I did that for my dog because he's passed away, but I will always have his little footprints on these little ornaments I made. Alright, so we have the wings and the body. Alright, so in the original pattern, this is the original pattern, so these dotted lines, you're supposed to take like a needle and just like poke it, just to add like a little extra detailing, kind of making it look like a little lace edge. And then you do that on the dovetail too. So here's one that I did it on, but honestly, it looks nice, but it's a lot of freaking work. And I just took like a regular needle. This needle is bigger than a regular needle because this is my binding needle, but any needle will do. I just don't, you know, it's a lot of work and it hurt my hands. So here's one without the extra poking hole step, and it still looks just as good. So that's not necessary, but if you want a little added extra lacing flair, then you just lace the edges of the tail and the wings. So I do remember, I have a photocopy of this, so if I accidentally destroy it, it's not the end of the world. So you do have to cut holes for the wings to go in. Let me get this out of the way. And so, even though this is a cutting pad, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want it cut up, even though it's a cutting pad. So I just have this extra piece of cardboard. So just take my pattern and I put it on top, and then I just take, I made mine a little big. Okay, just take my X-Acto knife, and you could do scissors, but since I happen to have X-Acto knives, because, oh shoot, like I said, it's okay if you cut up your pattern too much. Okay, I have X-Acto knives because I do crafty stuff. So if you don't happen to have an X-Acto knife, just use scissors. Okay. I need to make it a little bigger because my first two, the wings were too big. Alright, so you just made, that's where the wings are going to go through. Let me make sure I made it big enough, because, and then turn it over so your pencil marks are on the bottom, unless you want to erase all your pencil marks, but I don't. So there we go. Is that too? Okay. I'm going to make mine like a little bigger because otherwise you're going to accidentally tear the page. Just make it a little longer, is what I mean. A little longer. This is turning into a long video. Sorry. It'll go a lot quicker when you make these. If you make these. Alright. There we go. So just thread your wings through. Maybe. Oh my god, did I not make that one long enough either? My wings are too big. Okay. Here we go again. Let's make this a little... there we go. No? Yeah, okay, there we go. So there, now you have your wings. And then what you do is you like pinch where the head is. Because you want to pinch your two beaks together. So it's one. Okay. And then take some craft glue or Elmer's glue or whatever glue you have. I happen to have this craft glue. I also have Elmer's glue, but just take a little put a little dab in the middle, pinch it together, and then, because it's going to take like a couple minutes to dry, just take a paper clip and paper clip it down so it will dry. And there is your dove. And then to hang it on your tree, just take a piece of ribbon. This is just Dollar Tree ribbon for $1. Just make yourself like a little, what do they call these? Awareness ribbon style. So just do a little dot on the inside. Oh my God, I'm almost out of glue. Little dot on the inside. Make your little awareness ribbon. And then, there we go, another dot. And then put your ribbon in the middle of the back of the dove. And just let that dry. Sit there and let that dry. All right, so I got two ready. Walk with me. We're gonna walk to the tree so you can see what they look like on trees, because the way they wear, I like doing this type of style of ribbon because of the way it will hang on the tree. So this is, I haven't shown my Christmas tree yet. So this is a 12-foot Christmas tree with an angel on top. And right now it's only decorated with a couple Grinch items, and these are the salt dough ornaments, and then these are, that's a cinnamon ornament right there, and that's a cinnamon ornament right there. So the way the dove, it kind of is like it's flying downward, so let's put him right here. And then where's my other one? There's another empty spot. I'm gonna make a couple more. Probably make like 6 of them. And there he is, flying that way. So yep, those are paper doves. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.